Hi, I'm Pandula Weerakoon, Area Director of Sales for ONYX Sri Lanka, representing also Colombo, also Candy and Marigold. Actually, I just concluded a great training session on sales mastery and negotiation skills with, conducted by Jonathan. I must say, I'm not a person who is very indulged on training programs, but then again, this particular training program, I was very enthusiastic. Now, reasons being, it was so great, seeing the insights of selling, especially on negotiation in a very competitive market like Sri Lanka. I understood the strategies behind negotiations, how price is coming on a secondary basis when it comes to benefits and features. Excellent negotiation skills strategy, and I must say Jonathan really went in detail to drill down to me and of course to my team on the correct executions that you need to conduct in a very price driven, in a very competitive and also a booming market like Sri Lanka and especially in Colombo. A little bit of Jonathan. Jonathan is a great, I wouldn't say a trainer, but a great educator. He drives you. He makes sure that you're entangled with each and every session that he conducts, and of course he's a practical person who tells or who guides us in strategies which is more practical when you're executing. It's not practical, it's easy. The strategies are very simple. It's just that we as salespeople never thought about that side of that side. So great 3 days of training. Jonathan, thank you, and of course we indeed look forward to work with you in the coming future. This is my second training with you, and I must say from this to this, from the previous one and for this one, I have learned a lot. And I, of course, to lead my team, I think I have gained a lot of knowledge, gained a lot of new points which I can lead my team, and I'm sure my team also in return will think differently from tomorrow onwards. And again, thank you so much. I wish you all the very best, Jonathan, and of course please keep on carrying the good work, and I look forward to carrying this friendship, and of course now we are friends, and let's meet soon. Thank you.